Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts crypto flight edition. It is Napoleon Macro speaking. This video will be geared towards two specific things. We're going to take a look at the 50 and the 200 exponential moving averages. We're also going to take a look at the current range that I think Bitcoin will be stuck within the next 72 hours. So those are the two things we'll go over. Keep it short and sweet. So let's get into it, guys. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore price action. Welcome in 11 new subscribers. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here. So today's January the 14th, 2022, and the current price of Bitcoin, $42,862.42, slightly negative 0.4% for the day. Okay. All right. Hope you guys are doing well. So let's just pull up the range for now. We'll take a look at the daily candles. All right, so if you guys were able to listen to our last video, we actually pulled out of our prediction. I had to backpedal saying that I didn't think Bitcoin would go up to 43.5K, but that's actually what happened. So I actually got that wrong because I pulled out of my prediction. So, but it's still kind of within this range, 41.5 all the way up to 43.5, and that's the range that I think Bitcoin will be within the next 24 up to 72 hours. I know it doesn't take like a genius to make that call, but remember, I mean, Bitcoin could definitely break out of this range, right? It could kind of break out to the upside, it could break out to the downside, but my prediction is suggesting we'll just kind of be cooled off within these two levels for now. Let's see how that ages, right? That is my prediction. Let's take a look at the 50 and the 200 exponential moving average. Unfortunately, as one of our, I think Trent O, he let us know that, Bitcoin, unfortunately, the 50 has crossed below the 200 exponential moving average. So technically speaking, Bitcoin is, Bitcoin is in a bear market right now. This doesn't mean the price is going to go lower. This is just me and my technical jargon. Once again, if you're new, the the green line is a 50 exponential moving average. The red line is a 200 exponential moving average. In order for Bitcoin to be in a bear market, it simply needs to be, the green line needs to cross below the red line, and the price action needs to take place below a minimum of the red line. It is below the red and the green line, and the cross has happened. So yes, Bitcoin is in a technical bear market. If Bitcoin wants to get out of a bear market, it just simply needs to, for starters, close a daily time frame above the green line, the 50 exponential moving average, and preferably obliterate both of those lines and start to consolidate above those two lines and continue the overall trend, because believe it or not, Bitcoin is still in an overall uptrend as long as Bitcoin is above the $40,000 level. Okay, and that is exactly where Bitcoin is above at this moment. Okay, it's kind of contradicting, right? It's in an uptrend, but it's in a bear market. It's just some weird technical jargon. The only thing we should focus on at this point, honestly, is the most important level, guys, is $40,000. So let's see if Bitcoin can stop making lower highs and lower lows, because ever since, again, we explained this before, 68,000 low, lower high, lower low. It's walking down the stairs, guys. So Bitcoin needs to stop making lower lows and start to take out the previous swing highs. So this way we'll know the buyers are here. Okay. So once that starts to happen, that's confirmation that the buyers are here, and then we can start to see those price fluctuations continue higher. Okay. The most recent low in terms of the candles bodies is going to be the 41.5K level. All right. Just the range that we went over. Super simple, actually. All right, so those are the daily candles. Let's take a quick sneak peek at the 12-hour candles, see if we see anything else before we close it out. All right, so the 12-hour candles, it looks like there's a bullish engulfing candle right here on the 12-hour candles. If you're new here, we only go as low as the 12-hour. We don't go any lower, just 12 hours and up. And typically when you see a bullish engulfing candle on, like in any setup, right, you revert back to the highest point of the sell candle, which is here. And then you say that level should act as support, assuming that the buyers are here and they're in preparation to, trying to push the markets higher, potentially above 43.5. So basically where that level is I'll just put a line so you can see it right about there. And that's at like 42.5 if you guys take notes, okay? So I don't necessarily have a prediction in terms of like either direction going up or down. I just think it's going to be stuck sideways for now, guys. Okay. So that's all I have for you, wonderful folks. Didn't want to make this a long video. Hopefully you enjoyed that. And that's it, guys. So if you don't mind supporting the channel before you go by leaving an appropriate thumb, I would truly appreciate it just below the video. Also leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video on the channel. Thank you for your support. If you guys are new, we also explored the traditional stocks throughout the week. You can kindly join us here on this interesting journey. We'll send that out to you momentarily. Welcome in. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for your time. Remember to always have a strategy before you enter. Keep that positive energy flowing within you. We'll talk soon, and bye for now, guys.